lovelies. Groovy rhythm number 3. So 2 weeks ago you learned to breathe this rhythm, hopefully. And interesting thing is I saw people seeing part 2 more than part 1. Interesting, no? Okay, so check out number 1 first, then number 2, and then now number 3. Number 3, we're gonna make it more staccato. So last week we did sort of the tongue, nice sharpness. And we did it so the tongue would really work. And now we're gonna add a bit of cheeks. We did already, but now really to what, ti to what, to what, to what, ti to what, to what. And the what is the moment you're breathing in. So it's going to be a very funny sound. What. Yeah, and so see if you can speed that up. And then from there. We're gonna get the cheeks out and we're gonna do the movement with the jaw. So it's like two, T, two, 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 T, two, two. You get a sort of a squeezy sound. And now you see also these T's, these sharp ones have a function. So it's becoming a little bit staccato. To what? T to what, to what, to what, T to what, to what, to what, T to what, to what, T to what, T to what, to what. That's the rhythm with to what. And with the jaw, no cheeks. To, T to, to, T2, two, T2, 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 2. Yeah? So 3, it's still the breathing is the same. It's just something, other things are happening here. Not only tongue, cheeks and jaw. So have fun with that. And I'll see you next week for the next step to make it even more interesting. Love and light and Merry Christmas, Happy Yule, Bon Natal and all that jazz. Fijne kerstdagen in my language. Ciao beautifuls, ciao!